Due to human impact, nutrient levels have increased in the San Diego River, resulting in algae to bloom more often and put entire aquatic habitats at risk of total collapse. The most common nutrients responsible for algal growth are phosphates and nitrates, the same nutrients that are in most fertilizers. Nutrients enter the river in the form of urban runoff, in which water picks up nutrients throughout the watershed and carries them directly into the San Diego River. Algae can devastate habitats by depleting oxygen in water, leading to declines in animal populations. Once algae blooms in a river, it will begin to photosynthesize. Light energy from the sun is converted into chemical energy, allowing algae to turn carbon dioxide into oxygen. Once algae dies, the process of decomposition begins. During decomposition, bacteria grows and breaks down the algae, utilizing the oxygen in the water. When algae grows in mass, it eventually causes a mass decline of oxygen in the water. Without oxygen, fish in the river suffocate, leading predators that prey on those fish to die as well. Usually water levels in the San Diego River dip in the summer and return back to normal when it begins to rain. The drought has caused water in the river to evaporate. Although water evaporates, the nutrients still remain, causing high nutrient concentrations and creating a perfect breeding ground for algae. But algae is not the only danger that has taken advantage of the drought. Water primrose has also bloomed in the San Diego River. When the river runs fast and deep, primrose isn't able to take root. However, the drought has created conditions that primrose can thrive in. The threat primrose presents is very similar to that presented by algae. When a large bloom of water primrose decomposes, oxygen levels significantly drop. This is particularly devastating to the San Diego River because when primrose blooms, many fish are already dead from low water levels. Decomposing primrose is another hard blow to an already fragile population. As more fish die, the food web grows more unstable, causing predators to go hungry, especially those already competing with invasive species. The western painted turtle is a non-native species that has aggressively invaded Southern California, forcing native Pacific pond turtles to compete for food. The Pacific pond turtle and western painted turtle both eat fish, insects, and plants. In the San Diego River, the western painted turtle population outnumbers that of the Pacific pond turtle, causing food sources to deplete faster and disrupting the delicate balance of the food web. Pond turtles are not the only species that suffer from less food. Birds and fish that have overlapping diets also must struggle to find food. In the midst of such crisis, government and private organizations have taken action to protect the San Diego River by launching public awareness campaigns, organized trash cleanups, and creating environmentally friendly policies. Stormwater Division's strategy is focused on preventative measures so that household fertilizers and other pollutants don't run off into the river. To enforce these measures, Stormwater Division has created several pieces of comprehensive legislation that all construction sites and development companies must comply by. The Jurisdictional Urban Runoff Management Plan, or JURMP, and Treatment Control Best Management Practices, TCBMP, clearly outline how to reduce pollution in our watershed during development and construction.